What's going on, guys? It's overcast, it's drizzling. I might turn back around. It was saying 0% chance of rain. Maybe it was supposed to rain today, right? As you can see, it did this morning. And then it was saying 0% chance for the rest of the day. Then it's a chance of light rain, like a sprinkle. And I think I might just head north for this ride today. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I was thinking about going towards the beach, because we were supposed to go to the beach today. We were supposed to get a nice beach video, similar to last year with all the ladies and stuff. But you know, it's supposed to rain today. And even if it didn't rain, right now it's only 72. So it's not really beach weather, right? So, you know, it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, you could just, I don't know if the water is really hitting the lens, but it's drizzling and it's pretty cool out. And it's August. August always has this one day in the high 60s, low 70s. And it's just a reminder that fall is right around the corner. So I think what we'll do is just head back north, yeah. It looks like the storm weather is coming from the south. I might be wrong, I might be right about that. I'd rather not get caught out in the rain like I did last weekend. It sucked. You know, with the wind, it feels a lot colder than 70. I was messing with my seat this morning. I switched the seat post. My old one wouldn't keep the seat in place. I'm gonna have to fix this. All right, it's pointed up too high. Oh God, this is gonna be so annoying.
Look like a big sprinter, man.
Huh?
You look like a sprinter.
Oh.
They want to train and beat some boy have the sprinter body, man. What's the new side?
It's been a while since I've been at this intersection, but this intersection gets a little tricky. Not this one actually, one up, or yeah, up a couple intersections where Bedford and Atlantic cross. Gets a little tricky because you got the traffic over there from Rogers and Bedford coming together. So I'd rather be in front of everyone than be behind them trying to like guess what they're gonna do. windy as hell. Can really hear the planes landing. We're not that close to LaGuardia, so we're not that far. Probably about 5-6 miles out. So the airplanes are only like 2-3 miles away from the airport. Oh, sorry, 2-3 minutes away from the airport. So yeah, they're pretty low right now. Let's pull over here. Take a quick little break from the rain. It's the Williamsburg Bridge on top of us, by the way. All right, now we're starting to get moisture around the area. It wasn't so bad when I left home, but it is what it is, I guess. Wow, it's actually coming down a good bit here. So yeah, we come down from there, and actually that's a really cool shot of the bridge. Let me U-turn it and take a little picture with my phone. All right, now the mist has slowed down. Actually, it was pretty bad like a minute ago. Now it's a little better. You know, the rain ain't too bad right now. It's just the wind. When you get this wind and rain, you just start freezing. I guess this is good practice for the fall, right? Fall is around the corner. Actually, yeah, fall is like a month away. So yeah, this is good practice, I guess. It's just that I'm, you know, wearing shorts. So yeah. See, this shit pisses me off. It's like, yo, you could actually fit in that spot without taking up the bike lane. Like, come on, man. You're already at a hydrant, so you're looking at a ticket either way. Oh, I got a street closure here. Let's see what's going on up here. I wonder why they blocked it off to traffic here. Wow, this whole thing is blocked off. I don't know what's going on. Really confused what's going on here. So even like the bike lane is blocked off. I don't know what's going on here. There's even cops on all these corners. I don't know what's going on. Very weird. There's still people on the sidewalk, so I guess pedestrians are allowed to still keep walking or whatever. Very weird. Why is this street blocked off? Very weird. What is going on here? Let's just slide right through here. I don't think it's it might be one of those community things, a community affair, you know, police officer things that they do to gain trust from the community again. So maybe they were supposed to have something here, but the rain is shutting it down, or I don't know. All right, guys, this is everyone's favorite road right ahead of me. Flatbush Avenue, good old Flatbush. If you ever come to New York and you're one of these daring riders, maybe you should go on Flatbush, because it'd be crazy. Wholesome supermarket. This is where I get my breakfast sandwiches on the weekend. After a long week, I deserve a nice little sandwich. I'm looking at three things at once: the car on my left, the woman coming from behind the car on my right, and the manhole covers. This lady got headphones in driving this car for some reason. I'm always a little cautious of those people. Alright guys, well, I'm almost home, so sub to the channel if you want, like the video if you like it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. All my gear is in the description, and I'll check you guys later.